DV8 TC1 tire carrier is one of the stoutest spare tire mounting options available for the JK. It can accommodate up to a 42-inch tire and up to 300 pounds of weight and provides a great departure angle for coming off of obstacles. The steel plates are removable and can be color keyed to the Jeep. DV8 has tested this tire carrier on some of the toughest trails in the world, including Moab and the Rubicon Trail. The carrier is secured with 2 hitch pins, each capable of bearing 2,500 pounds of lateral force. To open the carrier, remove the hitch pins and simply pull the carrier open. To access the spare, just open the carrier and remove the handle nut from the spindle. This carrier can fit any bolt pattern or center bore wheel. The wheel on this Jeep is an 8-lug. To close the carrier, simply swing it shut and insert the self-securing hitch pins. The cam nut located on top of the top bracket allows for vertical adjustment of the tire carrier once it is installed to ensure that it opens and closes easily. There are also stoppers welded to the carrier to prevent it from opening too wide and damaging your taillight. If you're looking for both form and function and a tire carrier that will hold up to anything you can throw at it, the TC1 is an awesome choice.